So in this video, we are going to talk about Wi-Fi adapters and antennas which we usually use on the field. So over here you can see different adapters and different antennas. So let's just go through these adapters first and then we'll talk about antennas as well. So over here we have this first adapter which has a chipset of AR9271 which is from Hackrf, and this chip support multiple things, multiple modes, basically infrastructure mode, ad hoc mode, and of course monitor mode and AP mode. So it's a great adapter, and we have the same adapter with a single antenna as well. So we usually and it has the same chipset which is AR9271. So we usually use this adapter with laptop and Raspberry Pi, and this one with Raspberry Pi Zero. Of course, you can use it with laptop and Raspberry Pi, but we usually use it with Raspberry Pi Zero. So these are two same adapters with the same chipset. And then we have another adapter which is RT3070, which is of course a great adapter, and it also supports infrastructure mode, ad hoc mode, monitor mode, and AP mode, right? Then we have this last adapter, and the main feature of this adapter is it also support 5 gigahertz of networks, right? So it supports 5 gigahertz networks, and this adapter also has a capability to support monitor mode and AP mode in 5 gigahertz. So this is also a great adapter for 5 gigahertz. Let's just talk about antennas as well now. So starting with these antennas, these are basic 2.4 gigahertz antennas, and we can use it with all types of adapters, right? So these are basic antenna, and then we have this 5 gigahertz antenna which we usually use with this adapter for 5 gigahertz network. And over here you can see these are two directional antennas which are used for targeted frequency and targeted signal. So these are two directional antennas which we can use it with this adapter. So these are two directional antennas. And then we have few things over here. You can see USB mini OTG. So you should unfortunately this adapter support USB B type. So we use this B type to C type converter to convert this adapter wire, right? And then we have this cable set to use it with different things. So over here you can see we have C type, micro USB, and lightning. So we use it with different things, and it's a great thing. So these are few things for our Wi-Fi field kit.